Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to change the YouTube profile picture mobile. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the YouTube application and ensure you're logged in to the correct account. You will see your account icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Next, you will land on your account page. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your channel. Now, look for the small pencil or edit icon in the top right corner and tap on it. You'll be taken to your channel settings. Tap on your profile picture. Here, you can take a new photo or choose one from your phone's gallery. Once you've selected a photo, tap Save in the top right corner. You can also adjust the position of the photo before saving it. After you've saved it, your profile picture will be updated. That's it. That's how you can easily change your YouTube profile picture on mobile. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.